Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to how to fix broken makeup. When this happens, it's very sad, and it always seems to happen to the stuff that you love the most. Is that you too? That's probably why it's really important to know how to do this, and it works for highlighter, blush, bronzer, eyebrow powder, eyeshadow palettes, eyeshadow. This might even fix your life, honestly. I'm just joking. Okay, thumbs up this video and share it with a friend. First, have a space to work that is clean with really clean hands. You don't want to get any oil or, of course, dirt involved because this is makeup. It's going to go on your skin, and you want it to stay hygienic. First, I'm going to pick up the little pieces of my heart and put them back in the compact. Tell me below if you broke something. What was it? Because this was not cheap. And even if it was, I just get connected to my makeup and I don't like when it breaks. We really only need one thing. Everything else could be substituted. The butter knife, I'm just going to be using this to break down the powder. But the rubbing alcohol, which is what we're using to fix the powder, we can't substitute. Don't use water instead. I know it looks like water, but that would ruin the makeup and totally change the formula. You'll also need a little flat lid and some paper towel. Now, taking your butter knife, hold it like a pencil and then use the tip, slowly breaking down the little pieces while not moving any of the powder out of the compact. It's really important to work very carefully and really delicately because each little chunk of powder is probably like 7 or 8 times of doing your makeup. Really, when you think about it, each little bit of the powder counts, so I don't want it to go flying everywhere. I'm being really careful, which is going to preserve the makeup. I love a good DIY, like I really love those, but I don't want this to look like a DIY. I want it to look kind of like I just bought it. I mean, as brand new as possible. So I'm going to detail the edges and then pour in the rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol has vapor pressure or something. I googled it, and it disappears, it evaporates. Because it doesn't stick around, we don't actually have to measure how much to put in, which is cool. Just don't let it overflow, of course. Also, don't let the rubbing alcohol sit on top. Make sure you mix it up so that all of the makeup gets some. It looks like that, and then after 10 minutes it looks something like this. It's not dry at all, and it actually works already, which is cool. But this is a good time to just press your finger in. If you really want it super neat, you might want to add some more rubbing alcohol, smooth it over one time, and then we'll wait for 30 minutes and it should be dry. It might take a little longer depending on how much powder you have in there. But when it is completely dry, then we'll take a paper towel, push it over top, and apply a lot of pressure so that you press the makeup into the compact. And then you're done. I mean, if you don't want to waste any of it, then don't perfect it because each time you dip a brush in, it'll smooth it out. But if you want to take your finger, you can kind of waste some product and just clean it up. Make it look as beautiful and brand new as possible. I'm just going to tidy it up with a little paper towel on the edges. And you guys will see this pretty much looks like I just got it from Sephora. We can always make something new again with the right technique. You're going to get something that looks beautiful. And you'll feel good about having your makeup back without having to replace it. I hope you like this before and after this video, and let me know, did you break any makeup? Is it a juicy story or did you just like drop it? Comment below, let me know what you broke in the comments. I love you. I'll see you in my next video.